Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming fast access and the essential inputs so you can run experiments immediately. Connect your Google account, enable Gemini Research or API access, and load your datasets and documents. Once done, define clear research questions and pick the model variant and compute limits so results are reproducible. Make sure to choose output formats and storage locations. This front-loaded setup prevents wasted runs and lets you iterate quickly with meaningful comparisons between model settings. Now you design prompts that guide Gemini precisely, provide context, a clear instruction, and 1 or 2 exemplar outputs to shape style. Run batch experiments and parameter sweeps, vary temperature, max tokens, and top P to explore behavior systematically. Once started, monitor progress and collect logs for each run, recording inputs, outputs, timestamps, and resource usage so you can compare outcomes. This disciplined approach reveals which prompt structures and parameters produce the most reliable research-grade answers. Finish by aggregating outputs and evaluating them on relevance, factual accuracy, and consistency against your research questions. Then refine prompts or the dataset where gaps appear, and rerun only the prioritized experiments to save time and compute. Once satisfied, export the cleaned results and document methods, parameters, and versions so others can reproduce your work. If results are noisy, one troubleshooting tip: reduce temperature and increase context/examples in prompts to tighten responses and improve factual consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.